In today's globalized world, working with data in multiple languages is a common occurrence. With offices or clients in many nations around the globe, you may be receiving information in various languages, which may need to be translated in order to make it useful for decision making. Today, we will show you how to break the language barrier in Microsoft Excel and work with data in many different languages. Suppose you have received this information in MS Excel from China. Previously, you had to employ a person or another tool to have this information translated. But now, thanks to the translate formula in MS Excel, you can instantly translate this information. First, select the cell you want to translate. Then select the language from which you want to translate. This information is in traditional Chinese, therefore we will select that. Then you need to select the language in which you want to translate the text. We will translate this text into English. And that is it, the information has been translated. You can use the proper function to capitalize the first character. You can now apply this formula to all other cells as well, and translate all text into your desired language. This is how easy it is now to translate information in MS Excel. The numbers do not need to be translated unless they are also entered in a different language. We were able to translate this data because we knew that this data was in Chinese language. But what if we don't know in which language the data is? MS Excel provides a solution for that too, and that is the detect language function. This function automatically detects the language and displays its name, which you can use to translate the data into another language. You can use this function, together with the translate function, to automatically detect the language and translate the text into another language. We will enter the translate function and then select the text we want to translate. Now, instead of entering the name of language, we will use the detect function to automatically detect the language. Now we will enter the name of language we want to translate this text into. This will automatically detect the language and translate the text into our desired language. The detect language function is particularly useful when you have same information in multiple languages. For example, this feedback is received in many languages, and without detect language function, it will be very difficult and inefficient to translate this type of information into another language. However, using the detect language function, together with the translate function, we can translate this entire data into our desired language in just a few seconds. And with this, we end our today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful tutorials and updates.